Please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Nine-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Leader, filler.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety here, it'll be a smooth ride.
No need for safety.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate
That's the ship.
on deck
Yeah.
3 for Pokhara. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport
It's not like we're gonna get captured or anything, so I think we're alright.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nine-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to drive him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get over there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base.
I've got
Tell
a
them
bad
nothing.
feeling about
The
this.
future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Alright.
This ship is now under the command of the First Order. Be prepared for interrogation. Everyone off the ship.
He was one of... Oh, I guess the army's right there.
You right back? I think he had a stroke.
He's dead.
It's he'll be right.
Sound like they have an army of stormtroopers.
in trouble.
All the way down to the right-hand side, down the hall. Keep your units together.
Sharing contest, go.
Right. Come in this unit.
Take note of that color on the air feed. That same color is going to be used for your interrogation process. Your cell
Do
is
well
going
to
to be
remember the colors you're going to sign because it will expedite your interrogation. As to the first order ship, let's keep things orderly. Stand on your colors,
Inside your cell, those same
not on
colors
the
are
lights,
waiting for you to stand
not in the
on.
middle of the corridor.
Just like how you do.
If you find there is no room for you to apply on the color to which you've been assigned, I suggest you make it. Make room for everyone, Gray, don't be selfish.
If you're on the color gray,
Keep going, no one's on stop.
Vivas.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
They're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
I still don't know how to do that.
Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Nothing to see here.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
They're screwed.
Sorry, probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Oh. I can explain.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate light. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detachment
He's got a Gatling gun.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
This looks safe.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
He saw it.
There's nowhere to run.
Alright, we're good.
if you watch closely, some of these shots are actually connecting.
Right. Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
I never knew what was happening there. Let's get out of here.
Gotta get close, don't you? Okay, you're clear. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
He goes back to work. Anyway, as I was saying,
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed
We
on
got
for,
stuck
but
here
hey,
last
your resistance
time.
now.
We're just
I
staring
can
at
that
it.
authority.
Really.
Right, Beck?
Oh, good. he's
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck!
You're alive. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is
Even though we
secure.
made it back to the resistance
Bravo.
base. Yeah. This is a Bakara.
Yes, R5, you too.